Hello once again from another beach in Poland. Now this one is a bit further from Rewa beach, Plaża Rewa, but it was way too crowded over at Rewa beach. There were too many people, so that's why I just continued along the coast, and here there is basically no one except a few people that walk by the beach. And this is actually in a nature reserve, Mechelinskie something. And there is a beach that's called Mechelinskie Plaża, around 2 kilometers in that direction. So this is probably the same stretch that's in between Rewa and Mechelinki. That's a different, smaller city here. And I'm once again exploring the beaches in Poland. So I have been exploring Gdynia earlier today, and then I took the bus from there to Rewa, which has a very nice, fascinating beach that's perfect for wind and kite surfing. Now we have 21 degrees Celsius there, and it is the same temperature in the sea. The wind is blowing like crazy, which makes my hair look quite silly, but yeah, soon I'm gonna take a swim, so it's gonna be a lot better. So yeah, check out how beautiful this beach is. Just a few hundred meters from the actual Rewa beach, but it's much better and much more peaceful over here. So let's take a swim into the sea at this beautiful sandy beach, very close to Rewa and located in the Mechelinskie nature reserve something. Alright, let's take a swim and enjoy the beautiful day, 11th of August. Currently it is almost 5 p.m. and yeah, let's see if I'm gonna be able to manage to visit a few more beaches or just relax at this one, because it is a nice one indeed. So yes, Baltic Sea this is. Oh, a jellyfish, look at that. Here we have a jellyfish. Amazing. another one right here. They have quite the color, so that might sting a bit as well. Look at that. Look at the beautiful beach spot for me here in this nature reserve. And here I think there are also some seashells on the bottom, based on the texture. So yes, then it's time to take a swim here at this wild beach and enjoy the beautiful day. Let's go! Amazing. Beautiful. It was a great decision to come to Poland in August for a weekend trip and explore the beautiful beaches that there are here in the Gdynia and Sopot area. The Trinity, as they're called. Alright, then let's wrap up this episode from this wonderful sandy beach close to Rewa in the nature reserve Mechelinki. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!